And so here's the same two charts that you'll see a lot. Here's this moon ruling the sign of Cancer in the 4th house. The 4th house on the right side says home, family, emotion. So while the sun rules creativity and personal expression, the moon in the 4th house at the base of the chart rules your roots, your home, your family. It's why the moon in Cancer is protective, it's nurturing, it is supportive of your internal emotional life.
Right, and because it's the 4th house, which if we recognize, right, this natural chart, it's at the very bottom, so it's the support system, right, that we need. So like you said, family, our ancestors, our roots, foundation, that kind of thing. Yeah. But it's also way underneath the horizon, so it likes to have its private placement as well, right? So it's about personal, kind of private. All right, let's go on to the next. So here, let's go to, so pay attention to this. As we go through each one of these planets, the ruler domicile is always opposite the detriment. The exaltation is always opposite the fall. So if you can just get to know the ruler domicile and the exaltation, then you're going to, and you know the Astrology 101 and what's opposing it, you'll immediately remember the fall and the detriment. I mean, that's how I had to kind of, I didn't, I wasn't like focusing on detriment and fall. I would learn ruler and exalted so that I automatically could come up with the detriment and the fall.
Right.
So when we have the moon down here, which, in the natural chart it rules, where it's happy, we went over that, it's the happiest. The opposite of that is the 10th house in Capricorn. So this is the detriment. It's not real comfortable in the sign of Capricorn because, it likes to be in a water sign, and here it is in a earth sign. So it's not as, again, it's in someone else's house without its conveniences. It was not able to pack. It's kind of like your baggage got lost on the flight going to a 1-bedroom place and you don't have everything that you would want at home. But it doesn't mean it doesn't work there. And we'll see that in the next few slides.
But the moon is exalted in Taurus, an earth sign where sensuality and comfort are primary, where the moon in Taurus gets to just luxuriate in everything it could possibly want.
Right, because Taurus is the senses, right? It's the 5 senses. It needs the tactile. And we know moon is what brings things to form, particularly in talisman work that I do. I have to use the moon because it reflects down here on earth what it's connecting up in the sun, up in the heavens. So yeah, it likes things that are tangible, material, like you said, feels good.
Luxurious.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.